If you're having difficulty to understand how to make table of values, I'm just making a quick video on showing you how to make a table of values. So this is just an example from today's lesson, y equals negative 4x minus 3, which is the third option. And in this example, there is a blank table given to you. Now for x values, as far as x values are concerned, you can take any value of x for the table of values. So for example, you can start with -2, you can start with -3, it really doesn't matter as long as it's going up by the same amount. So -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. These are the numbers that I am picking. You could pick any other number, it doesn't matter. Now we will figure out the y value. So in this case, I'm replacing y with negative 4x minus 3. Why? Because the equation was given to you as y equals negative 4x minus 3. So that means y can be just represented by negative 4x minus 3. So now here we are going to replace x with the values that we have picked and solve. So what do we get? So this will be negative 4 times negative 2 minus 3. So that will be equal to what? That will be equal to negative 4 times negative 2 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. So 5 is your first number. What will be next? Negative 4 times negative 1 minus 3 equals, so 4 times 3, 4 times negative 4 times negative 1 is 4. 4 minus 1, 3 is 1. Now here, what am I doing? I am basically replacing all these x values here by these numbers. So if you see, this x is being replaced by this number. So if you keep this doing the same, what do we get next? This will be negative 4 times 0 minus 3, which is going to be negative 3. Next one will be negative 4 times 1 minus 3, which will be negative 7. And then we have negative 4 times 2 minus 3, which is going to be negative 4 times 2 is negative 8, minus 3 is negative 11. So this becomes your table of values. So now when you're graphing these points. Negative 2, 5, that's the first point. Negative 1, 1, that's the second point. 0, negative 3, that's the third point. 1, negative 7, that's your fourth point. And 2, negative 11, that's your third point.